Hello friends, today I am going to teach you guys how to color grade photo in Photoshop. In this tutorial, we'll add curve adjustment layers, some lighting effects, some color shadow and apply gradient, and finally use the camera filter to make it more attractive. Before starting the tutorial, if you are new to our channel then please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all new updates. Let's move to the Photoshop. I have already imported an image in Photoshop and right now the tool is selected is the move tool. First of all, I'll duplicate the layer by pressing the Ctrl J key. And firstly, I'll zoom in the image by pressing the Ctrl plus key. You can see the face. There are some shadows appear on the face. First of all, we'll fix it with the help of curve adjustment layer. Firstly, I'll go here to the adjustment layers and then select the curves. And from here, I'll select the hand picker tool and adjust the nearby area. Firstly, we'll just balance the color tone. Not so bright. And then I'll toggle it off and fill it with the black color to hide all the effects by pressing the Control backspace key. Now I'll go to the toolbar and make the hardness of the brush to 0% and adjust the size. Here in the option bar, I'll decrease the flow value to something like 35% and then apply the brush on the shadows. Okay, looking much better. I'll fix it more. Now the shadow of the face is looking much better. Let me turn it off. You can see the before and after difference. And then I'll select the move key and then press the Ctrl 0 key to fit the image on the screen. Now I'll add some lighting effect by creating the new layer, and with the help of brush tool, I'll select the color. I'll select the color something like bluish, and then I'll select this color and press the OK button and increase the size of the brush, and my flow value is 35%, and I'll apply it here slowly on the hair lightly, and then I'll change the blending mode of the layer to something like color dodge and decrease the opacity to something like 45% and apply it here and apply it on the hairs so that the blue light is falling on the hair. Okay. Now I'll create one more layer and then I'll apply the brush by changing the color of the brush to something like, and I have selected the color and press OK, and then I'll apply the brush here so more light will appear here, and then change the blending mode to color dodge and decrease the opacity. Okay, looking much better. And then I'll create one more curve adjustment layer, and then we'll select some color something like red and increase the blue color by decreasing the value of red, and then select the green color and decrease its value, and then select the blue color and increase the bluish color, and then select the RGB color. You can see the color of the face is becoming so dull. Don't worry about this. I'll simply apply this curve adjustment layer to some shadows area. If I'll turn off this layer, you can see the shadows on the. Let me increase some brightness value to do something like. Let me turn off this layer and then fill this mask layer with the black color by pressing the control backspace key, and then zoom in the image by pressing the control plus key, and with the help of spacebar we will reposition the image, decrease the size of the brush, and here my foreground color is white and the background color is black, and apply the brush. The flow value is also 35% and apply it on this slightly. Let me decrease the size of the brush and apply it slowly so that the lighting is falling on the shirt. Let me increase the flow value to something like 45% and then apply it. Let me speed up the video so that our time will not waste. You can see the before and after difference. Let me zoom out the image by pressing the Ctrl 0 key, and then we'll apply a gradient by going to the adjustment layer and select the gradient. I'll select the blue color and select this gradient and press OK and change the style to radial and press OK. Change the blending mode to something like color dodge and decrease the opacity to something like 20%. Okay, looking much better. Let me decrease the opacity to something like 15%. Okay. And finally, I'll merge all the layers to a single layer by pressing the Ctrl Shift Alt and E key. And then go to the filter and convert for smart filters and press OK. And then again go to the filter menu and select the camera raw filter. We'll go to the basic settings and increase the value of temperature and increase the tint value a little bit, add little bit exposure, little bit, and increase the contrast value and increase the whites a little bit and decrease the black value, and then go to the curves and increase the curve value a little bit and then go to the color mixture and increase the value of red a little bit and add some blue values a little bit and purple value and magenta value, and then go to the effects and apply some black effect to the corners. Okay, looking better. And let's check the before and after difference. You can see this is the before and this is the after, and then press the OK. You can see how nicely we have color graded the image. I hope this tutorial will help you, and if you like this tutorial then please thumbs up and also leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay connected with us. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.